Welcome back to the quick introduction to Python 3 for AWS Automation Engineers course. Today's video will demonstrate how to work with Amazon Simple Notification Service, or Amazon SNS, using Python SDK for AWS Boto3 library. We'll demonstrate how to create, describe, list, and delete SNS topics, manage SNS topic subscriptions, and send messages to the topic. To repeat our examples, you'll need Python 3 interpreter, AWS CLI tools, Boto3 module, and IDE. We'll be using Cloud 9 IDE in this video, but you can use your local IDE such as Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ IDEA, or even a text editor. Amazon SNS is a web service that enables applications to send notifications to end applications and users on a variety of platforms, including the Amazon SQS, the Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose, AWS Lambda, Google Firebase Cloud Messaging, Apple Push Notification Service, HTTP or HTTPS endpoints, email and direct SMS messages to mobile devices. Amazon SNS provides a simple, flexible, and cost-effective way to push notifications to mobile devices such as iPhones, iPad, Android, Kindle Fire, and BlackBerry, as well as desktop browsers such as Chrome and Safari. In addition, Amazon SNS can also be used to fan out notifications to other services such as Amazon SQS, Amazon Lambda, or any HTTP endpoint. Amazon SNS is a fully managed service that takes care of all the heavy lifting associated with message routing and delivery. Amazon SNS makes it easy to broadcast messages to large numbers of subscribers. You can also use the Amazon SNS API to manage your topics or send messages to subscribed clients. With Amazon SNS, you pay only for what you use. There are no upfront costs or minimum fees charged for using Amazon SNS. To connect to Amazon SNS API using the Boto3 library from your Python script or a Lambda function, you need to use the Boto3 SNS client or resource. Please check out the quick intro to Boto3 clients and resources video for more information about these options for working with AWS APIs using Boto3. The primary purpose of a publish-subscribe system is to allow message distribution from the application or service to many possible destinations. The source application sends a message to a topic. Destination applications or services are subscribed to the topic and receive the same message every time the message is pushed to it. Amazon SNS topic is a communication channel that allows you to send the same message to multiple destinations, AWS Lambda functions, Amazon SQS queues, HTTPS endpoints, webhooks, and Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose through a topic. To create an SNS topic, you need to use the createTopic method of the Boto3 SNS client. The createTopic method requires at least one argument, the topic's name. The topic name must contain only uppercase or lowercase ASCII letters, numbers, underscores, and hyphens and must be between 1 and 256 characters long. In this example, we're using the Python standard logging module to log messages to standard output when we create the topic or get an error. Also, the Boto3 exceptions module allows the practical handle of the Boto3 exceptions and errors. To get the list of Amazon SNS topics, you need to use the list topics method of the Boto3 SNS client. Some AWS requests, like the list topics method, for example, return incomplete output, requiring subsequent requests to get the complete result from the API calls. The process of sending subsequent requests to continue where a previous request left off is called pagination. If you don't have a lot of topics in your AWS account in a specific region, you can use this method directly. But in most cases, we need to use a paginator, which simplifies handling paging operations for results returned from AWS APIs. That's precisely what we're doing in our example. We're calling the getPaginator method of the SNS client and providing it with the name of the method we'd like to use. After that, everything is simple, just a regular for loop to iterate through results. You need to use the getTopicAttributes method of the Boto3 SNS client to get the SNS topics attributes. This method returns all properties of the topic. The required argument is the topic ARN. To get attributes of all the topics, we will use the list topics method paginator, which returns the ARN of all the topics. ARNs returned by the list topics method are passed to the get topic attributes. In addition to that, we're using the JSON module to parse the output from the get topic attributes and list topics methods. To add a policy statement to a topic's access control policy and grant access for specified identities to specific actions, you need to use the add permission method from the Boto3 SNS client. For more information on the topic, we recommend you check our Working with AWS IAM in Python using Boto3 video. The required arguments for the add permission method are topic ARN. Label, the unique identifier for the new policy statement for the topic. AWS account ID, a list of AWS account IDs of the users, principals, who will be given access to the specified actions. And action name, a list of actions you want to allow for the specified principals. This method does not return any response after successfully modifying the access policy. Let's take a look at how to publish a message on an SNS topic that will get delivered to all subscribers. To publish or send messages to the SNS topic, you need to use the publish method from the Boto3 SNS client. Required arguments for the publish method are the message. This argument accepts a text message you want to send. And the topic ARN. This is the ARN of the SNS topic to which you want to publish a message. The optional argument we've used in our example is the subject. This argument defines the subject line when the message is delivered to email endpoints. The publish method returns a message ID of the published message. To delete an SNS topic, you need to use the delete topic method from the Boto3 SNS client. The required argument for this method is the SNS topic ARN. The delete topic method does not return any response after successfully deleting the topic. Before sending a message to consumers, we need to subscribe them to the topic. Message consumer examples are the phone number, email, HTTP or HTTPS endpoint, Lambda, SQS, and other supported consumer types. To subscribe to an Amazon SNS topic, you need to use the subscribe method of the Boto3 SNS client. The required arguments for this method are the topic ARN, the protocol or endpoint protocol, for example, SMS or email, and the endpoint. The endpoint defines a client that receives messages, for example, a phone number or an email address. The subscribe method returns the subscription ARN in response to the successful subscription to the topic. To get the list of all subscriptions on a topic, you need to use the list subscriptions by topic method of the Boto3 SNS client. By default, the list subscriptions by topic method returns a limited list of subscriptions, up to 100. To get the complete list of subscriptions on a topic, we will use the Boto3 paginator as we did with a listing of SNS topics. The required argument for this method is topic ARN, which we're passing to the method through the paginator paginate method. The list subscriptions by topic method returns the subscriptions dictionary object in response, which contains the subscription ARN, owner, protocol, endpoint, and topic ARN. To unsubscribe from the SNS topic or delete an SNS topic subscription, you need to use the unsubscribe method from the Boto3 SNS client. If the subscription requires authentication for deletion, only the account owner or the topic's owner can call the unsubscribe method. This method is throttled at 100 transactions per second by default. The required argument for this method is the subscription ARN of the topic to be deleted. The unsubscribe method does not return a response on successful operation. That's all we wanted to cover in this video. For more information about this topic, please check out the official AWS and Boto3 documentation. These resources are the most up-to-date sources of information. Please let us know in the comments section below if you'd like to get more information about specific operations with Amazon's Simple Notification Service or any other AWS services using Python and Boto3 library. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the like button. This will help us to publish and spread more educational hands-on content related to cloud automation for the community. Thank you for your attention and stay tuned.